Before we dive into the world of creativity and monetization, we've got a quick reminder for you. See that shiny subscribe button below this video? Go ahead and give it a quick click. Not only will you be supporting us, but you'll also be the first to know when we upload new content. And while you're at it, don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now that we're all set, let's dive into the fascinating world of Shutterstock. Have you ever wondered how to monetize your creativity? How to transform those stunning photographs, captivating designs, or engaging videos into a source of income? Well, the answer might be simpler than you think. Welcome to the world of Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a global platform that allows creatives like you to upload and sell your unique content to customers worldwide. It's not just a site, it's a marketplace brimming with opportunities for photographers, artists, and videographers to showcase their work. The process is simple and straightforward. Step 1. Sign up for a free Shutterstock contributor account. This is where you'll manage your portfolio, track sales, and receive earnings. Step 2. Upload your high-quality content. Be it a photograph, a vector design, or a video, Shutterstock accepts a wide range of media. Remember, the better the quality, the higher the demand. Step 3. Tag and categorize your content. This is crucial for visibility. Make sure to use relevant keywords and categories to help customers find your work. Step 4. Submit your content for review. Shutterstock has a team of reviewers who ensure that all uploaded content meets their standards of quality and legality. Once approved, your content is available for customers to license and use for their projects. Every time your content is downloaded or licensed, you earn royalties. The more your content is downloaded, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. Shutterstock offers various subscription plans for customers, providing them with access to a vast library of high-quality images and videos. This means your work could be featured in a global advertising campaign, on a popular blog, or even on the front page of a best-selling novel. So why wait? Turn your creativity into a lucrative opportunity. Sign up for a Shutterstock contributor account today, upload your best work, and start earning. Remember, every download is money in your pocket. Your creativity is valuable, and it's time the world recognized it. Welcome to Shutterstock, your creativity monetized.